Hey guys, how's it going? It's Gabe here. I wanted to do a review video for you today on the product called Shopify Blueprint. And this is a training course that's going to show you how to take your current brick and mortar business online and be able to have success doing so. I also have bonuses for you that you're going to receive if you use my affiliate link that you can find down below in the description. Shopify Blueprint is available for purchase currently right now, so go ahead and pick it up. The bonus that you're going to receive that I have for you today are going to pair very nicely with this product and show you other ways you can make money online and lots of other good stuff. So let's go ahead and hop into it right now, guys. So right here is the product, Shopify Blueprint, and let's see their sales page. It's basically going to describe some of these things for you. They do have a video on here that just talks about
because selling on the internet cuts down 50.
It talks about how the benefits of taking your business online can help you in your costs of operations, and all the things that you're currently doing with your brick and mortar can be reduced down. And it's just talking about the benefits of being online and having an online store. Again, on the rest of the sales page is bringing up those same sort of things to let you know that the perks of online shopping are going to be delivered to your doorstep. It's cheaper. You're going to be selling on the internet. It's going to cut down on operation costs. That online businesses are going to be open to a wider and bigger audience. And then, it's talking about his own personal experience, some of the things that he's had gone through. And then it gives you 6 reasons you should use Shopify Blueprint. So there's 0 technical stuff that is needed to be learned. And then he also says that it's budget friendly. So again, it's going to cost you not a whole lot of money to be able to get in that training. The highly responsive support team, they're going to offer you a good support team to be able to help resolve your problems if you have one. And then the simplified navigation. So as an eStore owner, he's saying it's you need to be in control of the administration and be able to use this to help your efficiency. So you're going to have an easy way to be able to control and navigate through it. Then you're going to have a multiple payment gateway. So once your store goes online, people from all over the world will be able to actually make payments and purchases on your store with the way it gets set up. And then also you have the store optimization. So it's just talking about how it makes it have a higher chance of closing more deals. And that way people who are actually visiting your page will actually get to the checkout section and be able to purchase your product. And he's basically going to walk you through those in this course. Again, real quick, let's go over some of the things he's talking about with the Shopify at a glance. He's going to walk you through the overview, show you why it's the best, how to get started with Shopify. He's going to the Shopify dashboard. He's going to walk you through the dashboard, how to set up and identify hot selling products. He's going to show you how to create a buy buttons and a shopping cart. How do you launch your e-store, and then other making money ideas you can use with your Shopify store, and then how to migrate your shop from BigCommerce to Shopify. So how you can transition your store to be online and on Shopify. So he's asking the question how much you want to pay for $1 million income, and that you should learn to be able to learn from him and be able to use his successes that he's currently doing right now to be able to make them your own. And he has a 30-day money back guarantee on this product. And you can get it today for only $37. It was $700, marked it down to $297. Now today it's only $37. And that is it, guys. So let me take you over to my bonus page. That's going to talk about the bonuses you're going to get in addition to this product. If you use my link today, you're also going to get all these on top of what he said he's going to provide for you with his product. So let me just scroll down here again. The pricing is $37 to get you in. And then you'll get bonus number 1 that I'm offering, which is called Printly. And that's basically going to be a make money online with printables. You're going to get that. That's a product. And these bonuses, guys, are products that people have paid for in the past that worked, that they went through. These are full courses, just like you'd be buying today, the one that you'd be getting with the Shopify Blueprint. These are ones like that from the past that we are now just throwing in there as extra ones that you can benefit from and learn from, just like you would from that course. So these are full courses that you're getting, and actual good trainings and really good information to be getting in these bonuses. So bonus number 1, Printly. Bonus number 2, you're going to get the free traffic frenzy. You're going to be able to learn how to get the most effective traffic. And then also you're going to get bonus number 3, which is the easy passive paydays. Now that's affiliate marketing training. It's a free traffic system that'll make you $100 right out of the gate. Then you're going to get how to explode your YouTube channel. Obviously, you're watching this on YouTube right now, so you're familiar, but how to make your channel explode. And then you're also going to get bonus number 5, and that's going to be right here, the from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, real quick. So course on helping beginners make their first affiliate commissions. So you're going to get all those bonuses that have been used and paid for before in the past from people that are full on trainings. You're going to get that all in addition for free as our bonuses if you use our link to purchase this product. So I'm going to tell you the review of this product and my thoughts and what I think. The product itself, I didn't have a whole lot to use on my end to see to give you guys more info, so I apologize about that. But the product itself seems like it would help you if you're brand new to starting your online business. Then this would definitely be something that would help you to understand the basics on a basic level. If you're someone who's a little more experienced or has already experience online with business related stuff or selling online, this product's probably not going to be something that would benefit you. But if you are brand new and need some introduction to how this all works, this would be a product that would definitely work for you. Now, the only downside to it, again, is I don't have a whole lot of extra information, so I can't tell you a true review of what's great and bad about this product because I haven't been able to get in there and do a whole lot with myself from the access standpoint. So I apologize about that. But again, this product would be great, I'm sure, for someone who's just getting started. The only downside or the negative about the product is it's not going to be for anyone who has experience on online marketing or selling. It's probably not going to be for you. Other than that, guys, thanks for checking out my video today. Hope to see you again soon. Until next time, bye-bye.